How to make a Metro Bank account. Now, we're not talking about registering for mobile banking. We're talking about making or creating a whole new bank account if you are new to Metro Bank. Now, for this, type in Metro Bank and go to your website's respective URL, depending upon whichever region you're from, and just go to the website. Once you go to the metrobank.com website, and after that, it follows based on what region you're in. So after this, you have to simply tap on the three lines option of the website. Here you can see personal banking. Tap on it, then tap on accounts, and here you can choose what account you want to create. So let's say I want to create a savings account. I will select the option called savings, and here I'll see a couple of options to basically apply for them. So what you have to do is you can select whatever you are, and then you want to go ahead and then just select it and then tap the show option, and you'll be able to go ahead and then create it. Now you can also visit the nearest branch to create an account. Otherwise, you can also go ahead and then tap on the learn more option right here, from where you'll be able to now go ahead and then basically create your bank account on Metro Bank. Now you might need some of your details such as your account options, and you'll have to have your document details in order to be able to apply for Metro Bank. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.